Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Lifelines of National Economy together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study the lifelines of the national economy, transport, communication, and trade, which connect places and keep the country moving. Roads carry most of the country's passengers and goods. National highways link distant cities, and the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighway connects Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata for faster movement. Railways are the principal mode for long-distance and bulk transport. Pipelines carry crude oil and gas efficiently. Air transport is the fastest but most expensive way to move people and goods. Waterways are the cheapest means for carrying heavy cargo. India has major ports along its long coastline, such as Mumbai and Kolkata, and inland waterways on rivers like the Ganga. Communication through post, telephones, and the internet links people instantly. Trade, the exchange of goods between regions and countries, and international tourism bring valuable income to the nation. To recap, transport and communication are the lifelines that connect the economy. Roads, rail, pipelines, waterways, and airways move goods and people, while trade and tourism bring prosperity. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.